Introducing the 2016 Toyota Corolla. This four-door, five-passenger sedan leads among competitors in its segment. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 1.8-liter four-cylinder engine. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Toyota prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a trip computer, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and the power moonroof opens up the cabin to the natural environment. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 well-positioned speakers. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. This car was designed with safety in mind, allowing you to drive with even greater assurance. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.